interviewer will ask, okay, why in the previous company you said you were working in Selenium, why did you move to the Playwright, a new technology, what is good in it? So what happens, everybody tells like it is super fast and very reliable, and it handles cross browser, cross platform, and it supports both UI and API testing, and it has a built-in parallel execution and zero flakiness. Yes, of course, this is all the correct answer. I'm not denying it. But if you could just give the same answer, what would differentiate you? So here I'm just going to explain you some few detail and the important concepts, so that you can understand the concepts underlying beneath this, so that you can able to remember why it is more faster and reliable. See, with Selenium, you're writing the test code, right? We will write. So what happens is, with Selenium, we use WebDriver API, and here the communication happens with HTTP protocol, whereas in Playwright, it happens with CDP protocol. Don't, I'm not going to go so deep into it, and so don't just get panic. So HTTP protocol, it's nothing but you just send the get request, post request, all these things, right? So with HTTP protocol, whatever you send, it will be communicated to the browser driver. You remember we used to download Chrome driver, Gecko driver, all this driver, and then it will talk to the browser engine. Again, you get the HTTP response, HTTP request, browser driver, browser engine, and then HTTP response. But whereas in Playwright, that extra layer, this browser driver layer, is eliminated, because with Playwright, we have installed Playwright, we are using the Playwright API. It just talks directly to the browser engine. So this extra layer is eliminated. A persistent connection is established. With CDP protocol, we can directly talk to the browser engine. So what is the why we are using CDP here? So with HTTP, when you use the CDP protocol, you can directly talk to the DOM, document object model, this elements tree structure, and you can talk to the network, and you can do the stubbing, and you can do mocking, and you can do the response manipulation. All these things is possible with the CDP protocol, but that is not possible via HTTP protocol. See, these are all the advantages you should know. If you could understand why we can able to do the stubbing, mocking in Playwright but not in HTTP in Selenium, because we are using the different protocol. Here we use HTTP, here we are using CDP. So you have to add one other information, like here this particular layer, this browser driver, is eliminated in Playwright, and here we are using CDP protocol, so we get access on the network layer and a DOM.